So here we are again at good old Reed Bingham. I've got the IC705 out of the bag, and look, I know where my key is, but guess what? I have a surprise today, and if you looked at the title, guess what else? Oh, yeah, you guessed it. There's a surprise key today. So, we've got the trusty old iPad. We're using hammers today, but underneath my Chick-fil-A wrapper is a surprise. And we're using the X6100, and we're going to create a new logbook, and that is W1RCP at Kilo 21905. I'm trying to work on my eagle out here, and I was going to come out last night, but you know, life happened. Didn't get to come out here. Parks on the air. We're going to do Kilo 2195, and we're going to start somewhere on 40 meters today. Now, if you recall from the last video, one, I couldn't find anything. Two, I also showed you the setup, and I had it wrong. So today, we've got the MFJ-1898 ground mounted. It's still about 8 feet tall, even then. Using the new super antenna, base tripod, and we're also using the new super antenna's radials. So one runs way out that way, and then the shorter ones are in these directions, and one runs out that direction. You can't even see it in the grass. So we're doing that today. I'm going to spot on my iPad because I'm going to put my phone so we can have two angles here, just like I did in the last video. But we need to reveal what kind of key we're going to use today here at Kilo 21905. We're going to start on 40 meters. So that's step one. You can see that the table's not nearly as messy. That is a good thing. Now, I'm going to set my phone in this direction to do the video, and we're going to drop it on the floor because it fell through the cracks. Okay, hope you enjoyed that, but that should get us a nice view of our operating position. We'll give it one more degree. There we go. Alrighty, I think we're ready to go. I do have a separate power supply just in case. I haven't used this radio since the last time that I was out here, which is fine. And we're going to turn our rig on. I have the external Xiegu speaker so that we can have some better audio. We'll give that time to start back up. Make a little bit of noise. Okay. The surprise for today. One, I am not sponsored by this particular beverage company, but I sure do drink a lot of it when I'm out doing parks on the air. I also bring water, but that's for emergencies in case I get lost in the woods. So, alright, we're going to set this back here, and we're going to slide over our secret weapon of the day. Now I've got it covered in this wonderful surprise packaging, and we're doing 40 meters today, so we're going to switch the band. I should probably take that off of there for just a minute. Oh, that's bad news bears right there. Okay, so let's reveal what I'm doing first. The bug. Now, I didn't try this out before I left home. there could be something wrong with my key. That's the dot, that's the dit. It shouldn't be making all that noise that rhymes with dit. So let's figure out. We got it on manual key type, but I may have to restart it maybe. That's not good. It's got a short in it. Well, I mean, you can't go out and not expect to run into problems. I do have it in the keyhole, right? Yeah. So one of these, you know what? I bet I'm not going to get to use this key today. I wanted to play with this key so bad. Okay. So, I've done some troubleshooting. We fast forwarded in time. Unfortunately, I think that the straight key for this is a little bit different. If I push it all the way in, I get that. But if I only push it in a little bit, and that's a little slow for my liking. So, let's see what happens. That's a little fast. Little fast still. I have not played with this in a long time, but I probably need to go look at the manual for the wiring on this thing. The issue is there's somebody on 5.1, so 5.2 might be open. We're at 5 watts of power. Ooh, I'm not used to this thing at all. Oh no, I haven't played with this in so long. This is going to be ugly. That's better. It's got kind of a swing to it and I don't like it, but man, not used to that. I'll get used to it by the end of this, I bet. Alright, so let's go ahead and spot. Let's go to spots and see if anybody's on 40 meters CW. Sort by frequency. The mode is on SSB, needs to be all. Someone's on 7.025. So let's see what we can do. Let's go ahead and hit add spot and go 7052. We are at kilo 2195 CW with a bug. Now, if you want to know what kind of bug this is, it's a KN4YB. So we're going to say KN4YB bug. Good luck. And we're spotted. So now we're on 7.052. And we're ready to go. Let's see if I can do it. Oops. This is on filter too. I need to change that. Instead of low. South Carolina. I really got a thing. I hear a woodpecker in there. I forgot to put my power spot. Carolina. And the dreaded calling of the CQ. See, this thing fell off of a shelf and bent. Here we go. I'll take it. I don't remember what this does. Let's let that out a bit. There you are. So the thing about a bug, and the K4NYB bug, or any bug for that matter, is your dits are somewhat automatic. Your DAWs are not. That's the farthest contact so far. There he is again. That's a 559. When did they start calling Rob's Bobs? And why can't I get Rob to stick? It's because I don't say anything. Crap. I know I heard Paul. That's not the same person. QSB is probably killing this too, because he's getting real loud. 20 meters has gotten us a little more of a spread here. Probably not going to be... Whew, he came in loud that time. Probably not going to be here much longer. The antenna works. It works great. C. The attenuator on that whole time. It's kind of nice. I just forgot. Nothing. Usually somebody calls after that, but I'm going to go ahead and go QRT. I'll leave the volume on in case I hear anybody. Okay, so we didn't need an external power supply, so apparently I charged this thing up quite nicely. We didn't need external battery at all. We've got, need to put our parts back. So the last time I used it, you saw how far I had these up. And I had moved them a little bit, but I'm just not used to that. But we got to figure out why I had to keep the key partially removed to use the straight key. Is that the X6100 way? So when I get home, I'll check that out and see what happens. GoPro, stop capture. So I kinda just did a really bad thing. Thank God it missed the radio, but I just spilled like a whole drink. Dag nabbit. Oh well, is what it is.